Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you guys two quick and easy protective styles featuring Jamaican Mango and Lime Pure Naturals, products that deliver a 360-degree moisture miracle of intense lasting moisture. The products have natural oils, butters, extracts, and vitamins that penetrate and surround every dry, thirsty, overworked strand. I started out with a heatless blowout, and I do have a video for this if you want to see it. Then I just parted my hair straight down the middle. Sprayed it with the coconut conditioning mist, which conditions, moisturizes, hydrates, and gives shine and curl control. And then I just smoothed it through my hair and finger detangled. Then I went in with the coconut buttercream, which smells like peaches to me. It locks in moisture, detangles, defines coils and curls, and eliminates frizz. And then with this, all I did was went in with my pick to detangle my hair, and also went in with my tangle tamer just to make sure I got out all the knots. And then I brushed my hair up because I'm going to be flat twisting from the back towards the front of my head. And as you can see, these products really do deliver a lot of shine because my hair is super shiny already. And then I moved on to the other side and repeated the process. I went in with the conditioning mist, and then the buttercream. Smooth, detangled, and really made sure that my hair was going to be easy to flat twist. Then I was just playing around to see how I would like it to go. Now, just play around with this part until you get it to your liking. I did go ahead and mess around with it some more. And you can also put gel around your edges to smooth them down even more. I just used a little bit of edge control, but you can use gel from the beginning. And then I tied my scarf around my edges just to lay them down a little bit. I'm not really into that whole laying of the edges anymore. I guess I've grown out of it. And then I use the Shea Oil Styling Serum, which protects against split ends and frizz and provides this amazing shine that y'all see. And this is the finished look. And the next style. All I did was take down the first style, and then I parted my hair in the front of my face so that I could go in and detangle. And as you can see, I didn't have to use any extra product because my hair was still moisturized from the first style. So all I did was detangle, smooth my edges, and then do 2 flat twists in the front of my head. And look at all that shine. So after flat twisting both sides, then I just smoothed the back into a ponytail. And I started to wrap around my elastic band, but once I got through to the second time, I didn't pull it all the way through, which is what created my bun. And then I tucked the ends inside of the bun. And then I took my 2 flat twists, and then I just pulled them around to the back of my head and pinned them in. And this is that finished style. And y'all, this style is so cute and so effortless. Like, this is something you can do like when you just don't feel like doing your hair, and you can still look good. Your hair still looks great, feels great, soft and shiny. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will leave all the information down below for where you can find the Jamaican Mango and Lime Pure Naturals collection. And I will see you in my next video.